Yeah, thanks to new technology, we can have stuff these days which we couldn't have, for example, 10 years ago, and that's such an item, a cordless electric lunchbox. And not only one with low power, it has actually a whopping 100 watts heating power. It has also a built-in battery with a capacity of 24,000 milliamps and a fill size of up to 6.3 cups. Maximum heating temperature is boiling temperature 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. Yeah, an awesome thing. Of course, I have to mention that I got it from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my owner's opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And I've already been using it and it worked really awesome, but I'm going to show you here everything in details. So it can really work for many hours with just one full charge. We have precise temperature control, scheduled heating and memory. It's built with a leak-proof design and the food container is even dishwasher safe. We have even an automatic keep warm mode for up to 2 hours. And so we get it really as a full set with everything. You can see again here this super nice carry pouch, even with outside pocket. Get this shoulder strap, even handle here. Instructions manual, charging cable and even a power brick. And then of course here the main device. On top we have this opening where you can store, for example, silverware, spices, charging cable. And then we have this integrated handle. You can just lift it up. You can see really nice, super convenient. And the upper part is fully secured with these clamps here on the side. So we can just open them here and lift the whole upper part here away, so we have access to the core heating part. We get even a transparent lid with this opening here for the steam. So if you're heating or cooking something which has a lot of moisture, highly recommended to open this a little bit. So you can also remove this here to see what's going on. And you can see this high quality stainless steel container here inside. Again, in perfect condition after using it yesterday to cook a fried egg here inside. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Of course, everybody knows that it's possible to reheat some food, but I really wanted to test what's possible. If it's possible to make a fried egg here inside, of course, again, maximum is boiling temperatures, so we cannot really fry an egg, but we can fully cook it. It was fully cooked automatically after 25 minutes. And of course we can also remove this food container here. That's not a food container, that's just the heating environment. So we are always using it like that. So again, back to the fried eggs. So the only thing I had to do was choosing here the mode. Of course you can use the default setting right away, 25 minutes, 212 degrees Fahrenheit maximum, but you can easily adjust it. Down here we have this rotatable knob. If you have to adjust something, just click here and then this knob will be activated, so you can increase or decrease the time or the temperature. And to confirm, we just push it inside and then the next display will be flashing, so we can adjust the heat here. You can see in very small steps here. And same thing pretty much with every mode, for example the timer mode. In the timer mode, very important to know that the timer time is actually the eating time. It's not the time when it starts heating up the food, it's actually super convenient. So for example, when we set the cooking time here to 30 minutes and we have the lunch time at 2 p.m, this lunchbox would start heating at 1:30. So the food is then ready at 2 p.m. Absolutely amazing. So you don't have to do the math. This lunchbox is actually doing everything for you. Also important to know that to set the time and to set the unit, like switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius, is only possible here in the keep warm mode. And so we have to press for 3 seconds here. And now the time is flashing, so we can change the time. We click again, we can set the minutes, and with pressing 3 times, we can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Yeah, it has been working really good for me. It's an awesome companion if you have to travel or want to eat something warm in the office, out in the woods, or wherever you are. The heating function was really super powerful. Of course, it gets a little bit hot down here in the center, but I was super surprised that even in the highest heating mode and not doing anything with the egg for 25 minutes, it was not burnt or so. I mean, of course, it was a little bit sticking. I didn't use enough oil. With a little bit more oil, it came off easily. And what's also amazing is how easy this was to clean after that. I mean, I just soaked it overnight and then I used the brush and the sponge the next morning, and you can see it's back in perfect condition, nothing to see. So we have definitely proof that this is great quality. And so I can store everything back so it's ready for the next time. Put this lid here on top and add even the top layer here with everything here inside. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing to complain. They have really been thinking about everything possible. Yeah, I think a really great option here, especially compared to the original one, which is around since 5-6 years or so. It has the same power, but at least at the moment costs only about half price. Was super easy to charge. Here you can see the charging port comes also with this soft rubber feet down here for a safe stand. I wish maybe that these functions down here would be a little bit easier, especially the imprinted functions here are a little bit difficult to see. I think it would be possible to make this a little bit easier to use, but on the other side, I've been able to use it after 2 or 3 minutes without instructions manual. That definitely proves that it's not too difficult. And so, very interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Maybe also great gift for somebody you know is traveling a lot and doesn't want to spend a lot of money on restaurants or save some time for lunch or so. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this cordless electric lunchbox, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.